शेनवारा मडगावच्या रवींद्र भवनान गोय नॅशनल इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नॉलॉजीचो 5वो दीक्षांत सुवाळो जालो। ह्या सुवाळ्याक गोय राज्याचे मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत आणि हेर मानेस्त हजर आशिल्ले। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
I thanks for the NIT giving the doctorate for the late Dr. Manohar Parrikar in your last convocation ceremony. Thanks for that. It is a matter of great satisfaction for all of us. The Goa is witnessing the very significant development in the field of higher education as well as the technical education. A few days before, we have taken the decision that the IIT, we have given the land for the IIT in a Sattari. So many universities, so many institutions, they are ready to come to Goa. Definitely, as your director told, in future Goa will be known as the education hub. Surely. And as you are the engineer, you know whatever the infrastructure is at present is going in the state of Goa. And the pioneer of this infrastructure is none other than the late Chief Minister Sri Manohar Parrikar, and who has laid the foundation stone for the each and every infrastructure which is required for another 25 years regarding the Mopa International Airport and the national highways from the Penne to Konkani. And I am sure I'll complete all the infrastructure in my tenure by 2022.
The main campus is being built by CPWD with the latest technology with a cost of about 396 crores, and we'll have all the facilities like bookless library, smart classrooms and interactive boards. The DPR, the master plan and the project is completed, and an initial deposit of 30 crores deposit to CPWD and is in the final stage of implementation. Sir, I'll assure you that on 21st July 21st, this campus will be inaugurated by you positively.